Hello and welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a systematic sample using the Adasoft.Office.Analytics add-in for Microsoft Excel. A systematic sample takes records from the population over a predetermined interval, which depends on the size of the population and the desired sample size. For example, in theory, if we have a population of 100 records and the auditor wants to create a systematic sample consisting of 10 records, the application will divide 100 by 10 and get an interval of 10. Given the determined interval, the application will take a random record from the first 10 and then every subsequent record, which is 10 records apart from the previous. As a practical example, we will use this transaction log to create a systematic sample which will contain records from every month throughout the year. The records have been arranged in accordance with their date and time of entry. From the Adasoft menu, select the Systematic Sample button. Check if the range is correct and whether or not you have headers. Then select the column with the sums and enter how many records you want to have in your sample. The goal is to have at least one record for each month, so we will use 24, which would give us between 1 and 3 records for each month. Press the Calculate button. The application will process the data and then it will show us a list with the results. As you can see, the result does indeed contain records from all months of the financial year. If the result is unacceptable, we can edit the size of the systematic sample and calculate a new result. Also, if we want to, we can combine our systematic sample with a top value sample by placing a tick in this checkbox and typing the size of the top value sample in this space, which just became active. For this example, we will find the top 10 records. To create this combined sample, the application will first find the 10 top values, and after that it will create the systematic sample from the rest of the population. As you can see, the result shows first the records with the top values and then those generated by the systematic sample. If this result is acceptable, we can use the Generate button to export it to a separate sheet where the application will create an appropriate test template for future procedures.